a pencil. Hey, Daddy, wanna see my pencil? I stick it in my nose until it hits the metal. It's yellow, it's special, it tastes like a pretzel. I hit it on my head to make it.
Hop, 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 like a bunny doing. Hop, hop. What's the sound? What are you? Wait, are you a Mr. Birdie? You are? Gonna be my pet? Can you fly? Come on, Mr. Birdie, let's fly. Wait for me. Let's fly home. Yay! Okay, Birdie, I'm gonna get my daddy, so you need to hide. All right, go hide. Daddy! Hey, Daddy. Come out, Mr. Squeakers. Do you like him?
Jeffy, you are so grounded.
Mr. Birdie, take him away. Now are you gonna get out? Yeah, get out. What do you think, Mr. Birdie? Oh, my helmet. Let me fix it. Hey, Jeffy, I'm gonna go look for some core parrots if you wanna come. No, thank you, Mommy, but I got a surprise. It's a big core parrot. Oh, it's so... What's your name, little fella? It's Mr. Squeakers. Mr. Squeakers? Do you like that name? Can I have a hug? Yay! Can you fly? Let me have a ride! Please! Jeffy, can I? Sure, Mommy. Take me to Marvin! Yeah! Alright, Birdie, can you fly out the window? Go! Okay, Birdie, go!
Gonna kill this trap. Told your mom to throw it back. She gave me head, it was so whack. Ate her booty like a snack. Your helmet makes you look insane. Pencil probably pokes your